In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your Trust Wallet account. Whether you've encountered an issue or are reinstalling the app, restoring access to your wallet is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First things first, you'll need to open the Trust Wallet application on your device. Once it's loaded up, you'll see two clear options presented in front of you. These are I already have a wallet and Create New Wallet. Since we are focusing on restoring a wallet that you already own, you're going to want to select I already have a wallet. Now, Trust Wallet takes security very seriously, which is why the next step involves setting up a security code. This security code acts as an additional layer of protection for your account, so it's crucial to create a memorable code. Take a moment to think of a 4 to 6-digit number that you won't easily forget. Now you can go ahead and enter this code into the app. Remember, it's really important to keep this security code secure and accessible only to you. Write it down in a safe place if you need to, but never share it with anyone. Once you've entered and confirmed your security code in the app, simply click on Continue. The next screen you'll encounter will prompt you to select Trust Wallet Mobile. This is the option you'll need to proceed with restoring your wallet, so go ahead and click on that. Here's where the magic happens. You will be prompted to paste your secret phrase or private key. Now, make sure you have a copy of this secure information, as it is the only method to regain access to your wallet. The secret phrase, often comprised of 12 to 24 unique words, acts as the master key to your cryptocurrency assets. If you've been diligent in backing up your wallet previously, you should have this stored somewhere safe. Simply paste the secret phrase or private key into the designated area of the app. Once it's entered correctly, you can proceed by clicking on the Restore Wallet button. This essential step allows Trust Wallet to recognize and re-establish your account on the device. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully restored your Trust Wallet account. Always remember to double-check that your funds and account settings are correct once restored. Consistently maintaining backups and prioritizing security can ensure a smooth experience with Trust Wallet. Thank you for joining me today. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe and like the video for more insightful content on managing your digital assets.